Hello everyone! This is Angel channel. For today's vlog, gagawa tayo ng very simple Kahlua drink. First thing to do, of course, put an ice cube on the glass. Pour in half Kahlua Rum. And then half of milk. And I also try this way. There we go. Yeah, I spilled the milk again. But anyway guys, you can add more rum or milk. It depends on you, but I like this way, so I'm not gonna add more on it. Now, stir na natin para maghalo yung rum at milk. At dito natin malalasahan yung coffee. I like the smell of coffee. Now it's done. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye guys.